How do you see yourself in 5 years, 10 years, or whatever years? That is the question my professor asked me about my future. At first, it sounded so cringe. Why do they even care about my dreams? I don't even give a fuck about it right now. Because I used to believe that life was cruel, that it would jinx my plans and leave me nothing but disappointments. And I hate disappointments. I hate redirections. I hate cancelled plans. Why? Because the life I lived so far is so messed up. My dreams were crashing, my plans left unfinished, and everything was falling apart. It is not the path I see myself 5 years earlier. Thinking about it was depressing. It drained me a lot. It made me unmotivated and it made me hate the world. But growing up and stepping into adulthood, I realized something. Those broken dreams were only pieces of something bigger I once dreamed to imagine. I still have things to hope for. I still have dreams that are still waiting. It might be a small one or a bigger one to achieve. Who knows? But the important ones are I still have the dreams that I've already reached without even noticing. Because I never stopped and looked back. I never appreciate how far I've come. I wasn't able to enter my dream school way back in high school, but I forgot that I made it into the university that I once dreamed of when I was a little kid. I didn't take my dream course, but I found myself in one that could pay well, the one that could help me build the life that I've always wanted, a life of comfort or maybe with wealth. Those were the things that I wished for 10 years ago. But I was too focused on what my present self wanted. I was too caught up in what I thought I was missing. I didn't realize that I was slowly becoming the person I was dreamed of being. I got the phone that I wanted, I have the channel that I wanted to create before, but I never noticed. Because I am focused of having a huge car, a huge house, a luxurious life that I currently want. I am too busy trying to satisfy who I am now, and I forgot that it feels different, deeper, and more satisfying to make my younger self proud. Maybe life isn't about getting everything that we planned. Maybe it's about losing some dreams so better one can find their way in. Maybe redirections aren't punishments, just a quiet guidance we refused to see before. Because not everything that broke was meant to stay. And sometimes we have to look back and realize that we are already holding things that we once prayed for, things that we once dreamed of, late at night, quietly, desperately praying about it. Dreams that we didn't notice, but they arrived in different shapes, different timings, different versions of what we expected. And maybe that's the lesson. Not everything we wish for comes exactly as we imagined, but that doesn't mean that it never came true. And maybe, just maybe, I am not as lost as I thought I am. Maybe I've been arriving little by little in ways that I never noticed. Like dreams that I thought I felt, but were quietly answered in different forms. The school that I didn't get into, but another door opened. The course that I didn't take, but a path that could still lead me to the life I wanted. Maybe I don't have a huge house right now, but I got the phone that I've always wanted. The small wins, the silent progress, the unnoticed becoming, dreams that I didn't recognize because they didn't look exactly the same. So the next time they ask me where I see myself in 5 years, I won't be afraid to answer because now I know I am already becoming of someone my past self once dreamed of. And I know that if I answer now, it will be achieved soon. Maybe the dreams I am chasing now will also find their way to me in forms that I won't expect. And when they do, I hope that I will finally learn to notice, pause, and to be grateful.